Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the comparison of pricing plans for the Power BI and what kind of thing you can actually expect. So the free account is what is great is that it doesn't have any cost at all. Great for beginners and individuals. You don't have to have any credit card. Also included with Microsoft Fabric free account, so that's great. And also create rich interactive reports with visual analytics. And also perfect for learning and personal projects. But you cannot publish reports and share with others. This is very important. No collaboration features. So if you want to share your work, you need to upgrade. Also, no advanced AI features. And then also no data refresh scheduling. And it's for personal use. So it got the limitations. Now, primarily for the Power BI Pro, what you can actually expect is that you can actually share and collaborate the reports. So that's very good. Also including Microsoft 365, access to collaboration and sharing features, data security and encryption included, as you can see right here. And then you can have also the refresh rate for Power BI data sets and also maximum storage. So that's great too. But you're gonna have also per user pricing can add up with large teams because it's like user per month. This is very important, paid yearly. Also, 1 GB model size limit may be restrictive for large data sets. So this is something that jump is huge here between the $24 and $14. You see right here, it's 1 GB to 100 GB. So that's huge thing. No access to advanced data flows or data marts, no XMLA endpoint, read-write access, and requires credit card to purchase. Now, then you can have also the premium. And here you get also advanced AI, data flows, advanced data marts, XML endpoint. So a lot of benefits, but primarily you're gonna have more refresh rate and check out the model memory size limit for 100 GB. And then also storage is 100 TB. So that's very good. And yeah, if you're gonna go from Pro, it's much better just go to the premium. But other than that, if you learning with it and just wanna experiment with it, the free is the best thing, right? So hope this video provided a little bit of value what you can actually expect from it. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day.